Hey everyone, it's me, Growl, lead singer of the Shoebiters. I want to welcome you all to Harmony Town, a town that runs on music.
Oh no, look, there's a fire. Oh no, the flames are getting higher. What do? We need a hero right now who'll climb a 100-foot ladder to save you and me. Who's that I see? It's Firefighter Gnatalie. Gnatalie, firefighter Gnatalie. Fighting fires up and down the street. Firefighter Gnatalie. Here comes the fire truck. 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 There goes the fire truck.
Harmonytown Fire Department is on the scene.
Look at her go, fighting the fire. Look at her stop the flames from getting higher. Just in time, 'cause we needed a hero right now. She climbed a 100-foot ladder to save you and me with such bravery. It's Firefighter Gnatalie. Gnatalie, firefighter Gnatalie. Fighting fires up and down the street. Firefighter Gnatalie. Here comes the fire truck. 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 There goes the fire truck. There goes the firemen, protecting us again and again and again and again and again. They're up in the mountains and fighting the blaze. They're down in the town and they're saving the day in so many ways that we don't even know. 24/7 they're ready to go. And look who's coming down the fire. It's Firefighter Gnatalie. Gnatalie, firefighter Gnatalie. Fighting fires up and down the street. Firefighter Gnatalie. There goes the fire truck. There goes the fire truck.
The fire's been extinguished.
There goes the fire truck. There goes the fire truck.
Great job, everyone.
There goes the fire truck with Gnatalie. Firefighter Gnatalie. Fighting fires up and down the street. Firefighter Gnatalie. Gnatalie. We love the fire trucks.
Living here rocks, literally. See that ticking metronome over there? That's Harmony Tower. It's powered by a golden clef. Now, a metronome is used to keep a beat. The speed of that beat is called tempo. And as long as that pendulum keeps ticking back and forth, our town keeps rocking. Some of my favorite bands of all time are always hanging around Harmony Town. Each one of these groups has inspired the Shoebiters with their passion. We know most everyone, but for the bands we don't know yet, we hope we get to meet you soon. Come on inside our Rocket headquarters and into our studio so you can meet the band. You know we rock it up with our music, but we also rock it up into the sky with our individual and musical rocket ships. Oh yeah, these are so fun! The Shoebiters story isn't all that different from any other dog meets cat meets another dog meets prairie dog story. It all started with the music, but now we're 5 best friends. Oh, this is the communications room. We can chat with anyone in Harmony Town or the entire world in here. That's Bruiser. She doesn't just play the bass guitar, she owns it.
Woo! Bass line's so smooth. They butter their own toast.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. I heard it in a movie once and thought it sounded cool. Come on, let's go find Lizzie.
To the lounge floor. There she is. This is Lizzie. She keeps us all in line.
That's not all I do. I play the keys, too. I got the fastest paws in all of Harmony Town. My keyboard riffs are lit.
Lit? Slow down, Lizzie. You don't want the fire department to come.
That's not what lit means here, Ruffy.
Ruffy's kind of a scaredy cat, but don't let the timid act fool you. When Ruffy rocks a solo, he could stop traffic. Show him, Ruff.
I don't know. Stopping traffic doesn't sound safe. Plus, the effects traffic has on the environment.
Ruffy, just take the compliment and play your guitar.
And this is our recording studio. I see Barker's drums here, but hey, where's Barker?
Oh boy, I know that sound.
My new shoes.
Barker, drop the shoe. Drop it.
Are we doing this again? He's not a dog, he's a prairie dog.
Yeah, a prairie dog who rocks. Hey, Barker, play something.
What? Like fetch?
No, I mean on the drums. Have you seen this video? I mean, they say it's a group thing, but come on, I'm the lead singer. Lead singer equals star.
The video doesn't need a star, it speaks for itself. But if it had one, it's the bass line.
Greetings, Queen Flea. What are you watching?
The Shoebiters are doing one of those guitar versus bass contests to see who rocks harder. Killer bass line coming your way.
Ah, Bruiser rocks that bass.
You know, my cousin plays the bass. He's in a pretty big band.
Oh, yes? What's his name?
Flea.
Flea what?
Just Flea.
Guitar solo.
What are you two doing?
Oh, so close, Growl. Almost won it.
Wanna bet Bruiser wins this battle? Loser gets to wear the other's crown for the rest of the day.
You are on. No way Growl loses.
Be right back.
Oh, no. What are you going to do?
Bass solo. Sorry for doing this, Growl. I want that crown for the day.
Guitar shred. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Oh man, this is itchy. Itchy, 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 itchy. Itchy, 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 itchy. So itchy, itchy.
Come back, Barker. Those are Ruffy shoes.
Oh, these are my shoes now!
Oh, boy.
We got an awesome team of bees and fleas. Now this whole entire room is sparkling clean, sparkling clean.
The bass solo hit hardest.
Yeah, we all make it rock. That's what being a shoebiter is all about. Time to power up our rocket stage so we can play for all of Harmony Town.
Hey guys, can I tell you something? I love being a shoebiter.
Y'all ready to give this crowd a great show?
Are you ready, Harmony Town?
Shoebiters, let's rock it up!
Shoebiters, shoebiters, Harmony Town's rockin' new sound is here. Shoebiters rock it up, shoebiters rock it up, shoebiters